Good morning, good afternoon, good night, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again. Here today, we are getting back into building the. We didn't even have a real name for it actually. The ute that we're lifting. We need help because we don't even have a name for this car. Like it's kind of the lifted ute, it's the 4B ute. The dog is kind of where we're at. The dog. Get the dog. I don't know. It's one of those things. So we don't actually have a name for the dog-ish lifted 4B, whatever. But once we work out a name, then we can call it something, which is exciting. However, right now I'm heading to Brett's, a friend of ours, to go get the 32-inch muddies for the beast rig dog. Oh, we need a name immediately. So I'm heading in one of the $300 Falcon specials that we've got, and going to get the tyres. So I'm actually excited. I know they're muddies, that's all I know. So we're going to see. I'm heading there, and welcome, and tyres and lift, and tub's still on, so that's got to come off. That's exciting. So we're going to get into it. We're going to get there, check that out. We're going to have to go get the wheels off the party bus, so that as well. So we're going to go grab that and yeah, get it on, lift it, and then take it thrashing in a couple of weeks, and hopefully not break it. Yeah. Things, stuff, heaps of many stuff. You know, 4B things and flex at G, all types of stuff. You know, so you know what, you know how. There you go. It is off. Far easier than me and Quinny. Me and Quinny were jumping on top of this thing. None of you guys watched part one of this. Jumping was not going to get it off at all, but look, we definitely got frustrated at it, and it's off. So we did it the hoist way. Yeah, it's off. So we've got the wheels in the back of the wagon. So I did tell everyone that we were going to pull the wheels off the party bus because it was 15s. Bit of a stitch up. Brett said he had 15s. He didn't. He had 16s. So I had to go with our soft 8 Steely because they're 16. So we've had to put them on. The tyres were muddies probably 20 years ago. They are now very much, not much muddies left at all. I reckon, what, 1 being stuck and 10 being we're going to get through. I don't think we're even on the scale, so we'll see what happens. But we're going to get there. They actually, I said there were 32s. We worked it out, they're like 31 and a half or something. So almost 32s. So we're going to put them on. And we're going to get over to the other shop, and then we're going to start doing some wild things to go out for a rip. Look at that. Look at that. That is a rig. So we've got the we've still got no name for it. There's definitely a whole lot later in the day today, and still no name for this car. But obviously we towed it here, so it's here now. I mean, that's a stock height AU wagon, so it's juicy. But we have to cut on the front guard here because it is, well, it's not going to front work. So basically that, and there's something like that ish needs to go. So that's going to get cut and moved, and then we're going to do some stuff for the back. So I'm excited. But we'll get into that soon.
an absolute weapon. What a rig. What an absolute rig. Flex it, mate. Jono would be proud. What a weapon. Go for a little bit of fun, eh?
Like, its main letdown currently is the lack of weight in the back. That's why easy to get out. So the door doesn't work. Maybe this.
What a rig.
Oh,
What a rig, mate.
like this is the only hard thing for this is the fact that the tyres are like 10 years old or something. Oh wow, 9 years old. The tyres like 9 years old and they're so hard. So once we get some soft tyres, probably just for the back because I don't want to spend money. Should be sick there. I mean, they're pretty bald. Like, that's like the meatiest one. There's barely like 5 mil of tread. That's going to be hard to get in the mud over there. I'm so excited about this car. I've noticed that I've got a hole in my bank account right now with this. Not good. So we have here for one, we've named the rig of a dog. The rig of a dog. That's what the rig of a dog is called. But even better is if we've got a bull bar. What are you doing?
Every service.
I definitely think there's something mentally wrong with you, but there's probably something mentally wrong with all of us anyway.
The first hit is the worst. So.
Oh my gosh, the most important part. I don't want to hit a root. Protect the Australian... Is it Australian animal? It is. Got to protect or Skippy. But we have a bull bar. And no one else knows when we go to this rally day that we've got a bull bar. So we'll see what happens. And I'm pretty sure we're going to park on top of another car. But that's okay, because I'm keen. Oof. Oof. You know it's heavy duty when you lift it with one hand. I'm pretty sure this bull bar is just going to bend. I'm going to think I can push trees down and just fold it in. I think we have to pull off that little cheese grate. Oh my gosh.
She's right.
Oh, it'll be up with the headlights, won't it?
Yeah.
Oh no, it doesn't.
I don't know. It's kind of halfway across, I think. Sick. Yes.
You don't know how excited I am.
I'm getting the tools.
He's getting the tools. Yeah, obviously we're doing it right now. Apparently I don't do any work around here, but apparently a website all happens by itself. But you know what? If I do this, looks like I did some work. So with all the excitement, guys, I totally forgot to film any outro on kind of where we're at. So we took the car out to a thrash paddock session, whatever it was. So that was sick. They'll be coming soon, but this is how it is. So red guard game, 31s at the moment, 32-inch muddies on the back. Our tyre rack, that is one sturdy unit for added weight. So we've got added weight on it. I've mounted the tail lights, made some brackets, not going anywhere. The pipes, we're gonna have to redo these because they're a bit has your father, and the weight, and they were actually rubbing a little bit on that after some sanding in the paddock. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I think there's gonna have to be part 3 to this almost, because I'm getting carried away, far too carried away. So I think there will be a part 3, but look, we'll just see what happens. Me and Trav spent a lot of time the other day just finishing, putting the bull bar on, all the stuff. Like, we didn't even have the right brackets. We had to go buy another bull bar that was exactly the same with the brackets, just to have the brackets. So it definitely rips. A broken axle, so we're gonna have to fix the axle. But yeah, it was sick. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Check out the website. We've got new merch coming. We've got some hat stuff coming as well, so keep an eye out for that. Thank you guys for your support. Catch us in the next one.